This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into WordPress using XAMPP. First, you'll need to set up your local environment. Begin by downloading and installing XAMPP, which provides the Apache web server and MySQL database. Next, download the latest WordPress package. Once downloaded, extract all the WordPress files directly into the htdocs folder located within your XAMPP installation directory. This crucial step prepares your local server for the WordPress setup process, ensuring all necessary files are in place for the next stages. Now, let's create the database WordPress will use. Open your XAMPP control panel and ensure both the Apache and MySQL services are running. These are essential for your local server and database. Then, open your web browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin into the address bar. This will take you to the phpMyAdmin interface. Here, you'll create a brand new database. Give it a simple, descriptive name, as you will need this name during the WordPress installation process very soon. With your database ready, it's time to install WordPress. Open your web browser and navigate to localhost/yourWordPress folder, replacing your WordPress folder with the name of the directory you placed WordPress in. The WordPress installation wizard will appear. Follow the prompts, selecting your preferred language. When asked for database details, enter the database name you just created. For the username, type root, and importantly, leave the password field completely blank for local XAMPP setups. Complete the remaining steps to finish the installation. Congratulations, WordPress is installed. To log into your new site's administration area, you'll often be redirected there immediately after installation. If not, simply open your web browser and go to localhost/yourWordPress folder/wp-admin. This is the standard login URL for your WordPress dashboard. On this page, enter the administrator username and password that you created during the WordPress installation process. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Log In button, and you'll gain full access to manage your local WordPress website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.